What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Lindsay, here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 6 passive income ideas for 2020. Now I want to do this video because right now we're going through a mass hysteria around the world with the coronavirus, and people are trying to figure out what the next step is going to be. I know here in the States they're starting off with maybe a 15-day quarantine, and now they're talking about how the quarantines may go longer or whatever is going on, guys, right? So right now, if you're watching this right now, you're probably thinking of how can you generate income from home just in case if these quarantines and all these type of things go longer or whatever else. I even know that some of these school districts are even shutting down school for the rest of the year, so kids are now being home. If you have kids and you're watching this, that means your light bill is going up, that means your food bill is going up, and everything else, guys, right? So what I want to share with you, again, I want to share with you in this video 6 passive income ideas. Now, the reason why you want to generate some type of passive income is because even when times like these happen, right, when we're dealing with this, when we're dealing with a possible recession and everything else, you want to know that you want to be ensured that you are still generating income, like I said, even if you're unable to work or whatever the case may be. Now, the thing with passive income is that you have to put in the work now. What most people mess up is that they're trying to make money right now. And it's possible to make money the same day, but trust me, it's a lot harder. You'll make money, you'll make some money in the beginning, you'll make some money if you're just trying to make that now money pretty much, but it won't last long, right? So if you go ahead and just put in the work now, you'll start to reap the benefits of your work, 6 months from now, 9 months from now, or whatever the case may be, guys, right? So whenever a times like these happen or whatever else, you know that you still have money coming in, okay? So a lot of us who, like I said, again, if you're watching this right now, you probably experienced the 2008 recession, and here we are in 2020 about to go through the same thing possibly, and you probably got caught up for the second time with this because you didn't prepare. So again, pay attention to this video, take down some notes, and start doing the things now so that way you won't be caught slipping the next time, guys, right? All right, so let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Okay, so the first way that you can generate some passive income is by drop shipping. So on this channel, I've talked about Shopify drop shipping. I've also talked briefly about eBay drop shipping. Now, what you can do is you can actually drop ship from U.S. warehouses, okay? So most people are thinking when I mentioned drop shipping, the first thing they probably thought of is well, you have to probably ship items from China or whatever else. And again, during these current times right now, that's probably not a really great option right now. I even seen, some Shopify stores who, people who own Shopify stores who made comments that they, took a loss or whatever else because of the virus and everything else, and they have been unable to ship items from China. But like I said, the silver lining to that is you can actually drop ship right here within America, okay? So if you just do a simple Google search, sometimes if you join some of these Facebook groups for e-commerce and Shopify, they will actually let you know about different warehouses, like US-based warehouses, where you can actually drop ship items from, okay? So in the beginning, it's going to be slow in the beginning, but the more consistent you are doing this, that you're testing new products every single day, you can start to earn income. And the longer your store stays open, and again, you're being consistent with adding new products, testing new products, running advertising, and doing marketing, you can start to generate sales for your business. Just because we're about to go into a recession or whatever else, it doesn't mean that people stop buying. Okay, it's a group of people who stop buying, but then there's also a group of people who are still buying. And just like how I said, we're going into a recession right now, they're having people quarantine in their homes, but Peloton sales went up, right? So now people are just gonna, if they can't go to the gym, now they're gonna be working out from home. So there's still people who are buying things, okay? So again, drop shipping is a really great way that you can generate some passive income. Again, put in the work now so you can reap the benefits later. Now, the second way that you can earn some passive income is to sell your knowledge, okay? So grab a sheet of paper and write down some of the things that you can actually teach people, whatever it is, okay? There's plenty of niches out here where you can actually teach people something, okay? So if you know how to, if you're good at baking, you can create a small, ebook or a training series, with a couple videos in there showing people how to cook a certain meal or several meals or something like that, or how to create keto meals or something like that, a keto cookbook or something like that of some of your favorite recipes. If you know how to get abs in a shorter period of time, again, create a video series where you're showing people in a series of videos how they can actually get, abs right before the summer or something like that. Whatever it is, jot down on a piece of paper anything that you can teach to people, right? And what you want to do is you want to create a mini course. So the mini course can be in PDF format. For me, of course, I prefer videos, and you can create short video tutorials anywhere from like 5 to 10 minutes long where you're actually teaching something, and you can go ahead and sell your course. Now, if you were to create like a YouTube channel or something like that in your particular niche, so let's say again, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you can create a YouTube channel where you are, talking about health and fitness, and then you offer your training course, for $27, $47, $97, whatever it is. You can offer that to your audience and you can earn money. Now, the beauty part about YouTube is that once your video is up, it is always working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So even if you made this course, at the end of this month, you can still possibly see sales from that course, a year from now, 2 years from now, or whatever else. So that's the real true power of that, okay, guys? So again, you can create your course, sell your knowledge, and you can earn passive income sales simply by creating a course one time, and you can earn money from it. So the next one, of course, just how I mentioned the previous one, is YouTube. You want to create a YouTube channel. So with the YouTube channel, again, you can, create a YouTube channel. You can do reviews of different products. You can sell your own courses and things like that. You can also leverage the YouTube platform and earn income from YouTube AdSense, okay? So there's plenty of people, especially if you do some searches on YouTube, who are making a decent amount of money from from YouTube AdSense, okay? So you don't want to solely depend on, YouTube AdSense as a way to generate income, because there are so many ways that you can actually leverage YouTube in order to earn several income streams from it. But again, guys, people who are really into creating videos on YouTube, there are people out here who are making anywhere from $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 plus per month simply by creating content on YouTube. And they're either teaching people how to do something, they're creating tutorials, anything like that, guys, or whatever else. People are creating YouTube channels and creating passive income simply by, again, creating YouTube videos. And again, these videos are always working for you 24/7. So when you create that piece of content, it will always be working for you 24 hours a day. This is something that I truly swear by, and this is something that I always recommend to people, especially if they want to get started online. I always tell people you want to start a YouTube channel because it's a great way for you to build up your brand, and then it's also a great way for you to generate sales on a consistent basis, guys. Now, the next way you can earn passive income is from blogging, okay? So if you go on to Pinterest.com, you will actually see a lot of content on there where people they are actually generating anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000 per month simply by blogging, okay? You do have some rock stars out here who are earning like 6 figures per month with their blog. But again, just how I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you have to put in the work now, right? You have to put in the work now, be consistent with it, and over time, you can start generating income like that, okay? So with your blog, you can sell your own course, you can sell affiliate products and things like that, you can do reviews and whatever else. And then also you can place AdSense onto your blog, so when people are visiting your blog, you can also earn a small commission when people are visiting your blog, okay? So again, you get out what you put in. So yes, blogging is a really great way for you to earn upwards of 5 figures per month, but you have to understand, you have to put in the work now, and you have to be consistent. If you're not consistent, this will not work. None of these things will work on this list if you're not consistent with doing your work. Now, the next one is a membership site, okay? So with a membership site, they can start anywhere from, $9 per month, and some membership sites I've seen going all the way up to like, a few $100s per month, depending on the value that's being provided inside of those membership sites, okay? So with a membership site, you can provide, training inside of a particular niche, and where, people can access that information or whatever else to get more skill, to get more knowledge and more experience in that particular niche that you're actually building your membership site in, okay? So you could build a membership site for affiliate marketing. You could build a membership site like it's like a like for beauty tips or something like that. There is membership sites teaching people how to shoot pool, all types of things like that. It's a wide variety of things. Now, if you want to charge more for your membership site, then you can how you're able to do that is that you can, you know, create a Facebook group. You can go live inside of that Facebook group where you're actually doing Q&A sessions with people. So people who are part of your membership site, if they're going through the content and they have questions that they want to be answered, you can do a live stream inside of a Facebook group or something like that, or a live webinar where people can hop onto the call and they can ask you questions to gain more knowledge, to get answers to their questions and things like that. Usually on the lower end of these membership sites, they usually just provide a lot of information, okay? So they probably provide pre-recorded videos, PDFs, workbooks, and things like that. And again, guys, the higher you kind of go up that spectrum as far as like the price point, people tend to offer just a few things more where they have that interaction with their audience, with their members, and things like that. But again, a membership site is a really great way for you to generate passive income. Now, the last one I want to cover, which is my favorite, of course, is affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, this is something that has been a big part of my business since I got started online. And even inside of my Facebook group, I share with people how I've been able to earn anywhere from a few extra $100 to a few extra $1,000 is you know, each month, simply by affiliate marketing and the content that I have created on this YouTube channel, you know, anywhere from 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago on this channel. Okay, so I created a video content on about a particular topic one time, and I'm still earning commissions from it every single day. One prime example of that is with Shopify. So I talked heavily about Shopify back in 2015 or so, or 2015, 2016 or so, and I will just provide a lot of content about Shopify. I'll teach people how they can, you know, maybe run ads, how to do target their Facebook ads, how to find products or whatever else. And I'll include my link to my Shopify affiliate link in the description below the video. So if they want to go ahead and try and open up a store with Shopify, they'll get access to a free 14-day trial. Now, if they decide to keep their store after the 14-day trial, I will earn a commission from it. So I've earned thousands of dollars from the Shopify partner program simply by creating valuable content on YouTube. And again, a lot of those videos I made back in 2015, 2016, and I'm still earning commissions to this day from it, guys, okay? So that's how powerful that is. And again, you could do this for any niche. So like for me, I do affiliate marketing primarily in the make money online internet marketing niche. You could do the same thing with health and fitness. You can do that with cooking products or whatever else. I've even shared an example of a young lady on this channel who is an affiliate for Vitamix. And Vitamix is like that really fancy blender that you can blend any and everything in. I know a lot of health people use that, people who are in the health and fitness niche. And those things range anywhere from a few $100s all the way up to $1,500, $2,000. And she's earning a commission every time she makes a sale. And she's primarily using YouTube to do reviews of Vitamixes. And then she sends people directly to, you know, to Amazon where they can actually purchase a Vitamix. And if they purchase one, she will earn a commission, guys, okay? So it doesn't have to be in the make money online niche. Again, you can do this with the beauty niche. If you're in the fashion niche, you can become an affiliate for Fashion Nova. You can go and show off all of the clothes that you had just purchased from Fashion Nova. And if people want to purchase it, tell them to go click on the link below the video, and they will actually purchase from you or whatever else, guys, okay? So that's how that works. So I just covered in this video 6 ways that you can actually earn passive income online, guys, okay? And right now, like I said, these are some crazy times that we're dealing with right now, and you definitely don't want to get caught slipping again, guys, okay? You have the knowledge that you can apply, so that way you can start having income coming in whenever there's a you know, a virus going around, or even if you just have to miss days off from work or whatever else. You know that you will still have income coming in if you apply any of these strategies and start working on them now. Again, you get out what you put in. Put in the work now so you can reap the benefits later, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this video helpful. Go underneath this video. You can find some free training that I'm providing to you guys, and also a link to my Facebook group. Go ahead and join that Facebook group and make sure you answer the 3 questions upon requesting access, because if you don't answer those questions, I cannot approve your access to my group, guys. Okay, so again, hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video.